Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering Markus N. Marag, ula pentip hiang dorbar bakindan hadu Kumba nyau hajar hendriu spatali ki Longiing ki ban mentoi nak projek umbam Nekikona Combined Water Supply Project Lyngba ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission. Haba juba bhalor ka jingkali balawan ra adu MLA ka Rajabala Dr. Mizanur Kazi Menteri upentip ru ba ka jing pentre ka projek kalayat menta syaka prapuh nyau persen bat kumta ki khmi lenti basyen kin sala ban pendap no.
Answer to start question 65. So the augmentation of Nekikona combined water supply project is ongoing and the overall progress is 80%, 87%.
Your supplementary question.
Speaker, sir, as I could see, the statement of Honorable Minister that the progress is 87%, but on the ground, all the 26 villages doesn't have main pipeline, the household doesn't have tap connection, then how can the Honorable Minister say that the overall completion is 87%?
Sir, I can mention to Honorable Member regarding the different components of the work, so which comes to calculating to 87%. So number one, the construction of RCC were 100% completed. Number two, construction of simplified treatment plant 100% completed, sir. Number three, construction of overhead zonal reservoir 100% completed, sir. And number four, laying of MS gravity main pipeline 100% completed. Laying of GI feeder main pipeline 100% completed. Laying of GI distribution main pipeline 60%. Distribution system up to FHTC for all 25 villages is 48%. So it is only the distribution which is pending, sir. Other components of works are already completed.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the expected timeline for completion of the work?
So won't take much time, sir. Hope to complete this by next 2-3 months, sir, because only the distribution portion is left.
Mr. Speaker, sir, how many households are expected to benefit from the upgraded water supply project?
Sir, we aim to provide functional household tap connections to 7,178 in total, sir.
Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, what is the update on the investigation report which was sought by the Meghalaya Lokayukta on Nekikona project?
Sir, it was, the complaint has gone to centralized public grievances redress and monitoring system, and we have conducted an inquiry on that. I'll just read out the report of that inquiry. The inquiry could not establish any malpractice on the part of the concerned PHED officials in charge of implementation of and augmentation of Nekikona combined WSS. The work of both schemes are still ongoing and not 100% completed, either financially nor physically, as per the field visit. Overall, work is progressing at a good pace. Payment to the contractor has been met as per the work done and as per contract agreement. With respect to the disparity of the figures that appeared in the JJM dashboard, with that on the ground, it is a fact that disparity exists given the substantial volume of data to be processed and uploaded and the complexities encountered in the field. However, sir, the executive engineer should also ensure bridging communication gaps with subordinate officers, staff, that is subdivisional officers, junior engineers, etc., and the technical staff in the division so that correct information is uploaded in MIS as per the field progress. The contractor executing Nekikona combined WSS supply scheme is to expedite work so as to complete the project. The department shall make all-out effort to ensure that the contractor entrusted with the execution of the work for above scheme complete the same at the earliest possible so that residents could have access to safe and sufficient drinking water supply, sir.
One last question, sir. May I get a clarity on the honorable, from the honorable minister that in the website, in the web portal, it is showing that water testing has been done, household tap connections has been given, we are receiving water, but on the contrary, in the ground reality, there is no connection. How does this anomaly exist, and how come NEHU, which is the third-party testing agency, how come NEHU has given a clearance and they have obtained a sanction of around 95% of the sanctioned amount?
Sir, as I have already mentioned here, there was a disparity of the figures that appeared in the JJM dashboard. Sir, given the complexities of the process and the work that is there in the ground, some of the numbers are misreported there in the MIS, which has been corrected later on, sir. And with regard to the payment, no payment has been made on work not done, sir.
Okay. Sir, I just want to thank you and want to get an assurance from you that the work will be completed at the earliest. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now
We will definitely, sir.
Move on to next question, question number 6.